ESIM Korea review. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at this platform which provides us the opportunity to buy an eSIM in Korea. If you'd like to use this platform, you can find the link in the description. In this case, you'll get the best possible option to get an eSIM, the best price. So you'll come to this page where you just simply need to scroll down for a little, and here you can find all the plans. So we have like daily 2 GB data, unlimited data, and 5 GB data. So only 3 plans. But if we scroll down, we can also find for city travel. So sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to use it in some cities. And also we have a couple like for world travelers, Korea, Japan, and global unlimited. So let's say that I would like to get the most popular plan right up here. So all I need to do is to click on buy now. The next step here is to find all the necessary information, so we can basically find like additional information or something like this. We can also select how long will we stay. Let's say that I'd like to stay for 10 days, and also I would like to get 2 GB daily. So I'll only have to pay like $26, and all we need to do then is to click on buy now. The next step here is to add some additional information, our email address where we'll receive our check, and also we'll receive our QR code with our eSIM, so make sure that it's correct. Also we need to get to paste like first name and our phone device, so we can select like iPhone XR for example. So after that we can pay with PayPal or debit or credit card, and basically all the steps are quite simple. As you can see, nothing really hard. So hope this video helped you out and now you know more about this platform. I wish you a very good day. Don't forget about the link in the description. Goodbye.